welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and welcome. In today's video I will be giving you an update on Moreh Organics and seeing if they really are a hair growth oil. All right now. So if you want to see more of me to you, y'all stay tuned, and I'll see you after the intro. Okay, so let's get right on into this because I did just come from the gym and I want to shower. All right, so we're gonna hit the nape because we always start with the nape because the nape ain't gonna lie. Okay, so let's turn around. Whoop. Y'all see that? I done beat it up for y'all. Okay, I got some, what's this? 4 twists for y'all. Look at that. 4 twists. And if you see from the pictures that I will have here, that we could not beat that thing up. Okay, we have a whole twist. Look at that. Y'all see this? Now this is just a week of using this growth. I ain't pulled nothing up. I ain't adjust no braids. So far so good. Let's look at our edges. I don't know if I took pictures of our edges, but let's look at them anyway. Because if I didn't, we'll have them for the next week's review, right? So I feel like they've grown in a little bit, not too drastic, but I did see like a little curl or something the other day. I don't know if it was just wet, but we are here. So let's look at these edges. Now let's look at these edges. They just look like it's filling in on the perimeter of my forehead, and I'm appreciative of that. So let's take it down. Let's see the middle of my head. Now, I don't know if y'all hair is like this or not, but castor oil, the rice water, it didn't really grow the mid of my hair. Oh my God, y'all, I got it in. If you want to see my fitness journey, I will be posting that. So be sure to subscribe so you can see what's going on in my life, y'all, because it's kind of exciting. Okay, but anyway. So back to the castor oil and rice water. Those things, they really grew my my edges. They thickened them up and they grew my nape out. But as far as like the middle of my hair, I was really not seeing. I wasn't seeing it, sis. I wasn't seeing it. So let's just see if we can see it on the Moreh Organics hair growth oil. So how are we looking in the back? Are we looking like something? Y'all will see before I will. I mean, I do have to edit, so I'll see it in the edits, but how are we looking, y'all? Pretend like y'all there. You know, do y'all see any growth or what? Okay, let's look at the side. We always do our sides. Do we see any growth or what? Keep in mind, if I don't post the pictures on the side because I didn't have enough room to do it, I will do a slideshow after me rambling. So if y'all want to just hurry along to that, y'all can. But I advise not to because how else am I going to get monetized? But anyway, let's look on this side. How are we looking? How are we looking? How are we looking? You know, I can tell from the front. I can tell from the front area that, you know, it's getting a little wild up there. And I've only had these for about the beginning of December. Yeah. So when it was Thanksgiving, I had these on Thanksgiving. I finished these on Thanksgiving. So these are not my best. I did them small, and I do notice like they unravel quickly. And then I didn't dip them in water. Only reason why I did it small because the other ones, even though they were light, they were so worrisome in bed. Like I had to pull it over my head and rest my head down, you know, because sometimes the bonnet falls off or the, you know, whatever falls off. Or when me and my husband are trying to cuddle, have to put it at the top. And then if you put it at the top, you just, no. So I did the smaller ones, and they're doing just what I figured. I could pull up in a little minute little bun like y'all saw earlier, twirl that thing around their head, clasp, and let's move on with life. Or I can just, you know, wear it down like this, which I don't, because I don't like the short look because it's, you know, it's just, it is, okay. But how did I do on these? You know, like I said, I'm not a professional, but you know, at least my head done. It ain't looking like something, you know. So if y'all like that, it did take me 13 hours to do. Yes, it took me 13 hours to do, and it was definitely separate days. I probably did a 4 to about 12:30 a.m. On the first day, and then the car ride to Memphis. We went to Memphis for Thanksgiving just to get away as newlyweds, you know, keep on having those travel dates. Gotta get them in, especially if you're trying to have a baby, okay? And if y'all want to know about our TTC journey and stuff like that, I will post that probably after the fact, you know, whatever. But stay in tune, be sure to subscribe. So, you know, we're giving this channel everything that contains everything that consists of my life. But I did notice that y'all want to see hair videos, so we're gonna make hair videos. But if, you know, y'all get ready to see the weight loss videos, you know, we're gonna make videos for at least a broader audience here. So yeah, just stick with us, yeah. So what y'all think? This is only week 1 of using this product. I love it. Now let's just talk about, let me go get the product. Okay, so let's just talk about the product itself. This is only week 1, and I can tell you that I would probably need 2 of these bottles to complete a month's worth. Just because, now I'm saying this for a personal point of view, but I would probably need 2 of these bottles just because, like, I like to saturate. Oh, did y'all feel that word? I like to saturate my scalp in oil. But if you're just not really a heavy oil user, then maybe this is for you. However, I just like, I want to know that I know my hair got saturated. I don't want to be doop, 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 and then massage. Like, I just feel like it's not hitting it. But, you know, they did say less is more with this product. But for me, more is always more. More is always more. Less is always less. So I probably won't make 30 days with this product. I don't think I've been shaking well. I probably won't make 30 days with this product, but I'm going to try. When I feel like I'm, I guess, getting really low, I'll use it very sparsely. So, but yeah, that's it. You know, if y'all find this intriguing and it's been growing my hair, like I said, I will see it in the edits. Then stay tuned, subscribe. Be sure to check out the Do Grow video if y'all want to know another hair growth challenge that I did. The Do Grow and Self-Rate did work too. So check that out in the meantime until your updates are uploaded every Tuesday. Thanks, guys.